Welcome to 3241 Mission Street, Unit 3. This is an impeccably modern one-bedroom, one-bath condominium located in the vibrant and hip Bernal Heights.
Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
Hi, I'm Lorenzo Guzman.
You know what they say, once in your lifetime you must try living in San Francisco, and we're so excited about this beautiful listing we have here. Lorenz, what do you think about this one?
Yes, Eddie, I really love the location of this property. It's in the Bernal Heights next to great shops, great restaurants, and parks.
Can't wait to show you this property. Let's take a tour.
An abundance of natural light gleams with sliding glass doors leading to the delightfully spacious, peaceful, and sunny patio. Great for indoor-outdoor living. Dazzling hardwood floors and stunning light fixtures are sure to delight. Large master bedroom with walk-in closet provides ample room for your wardrobe. Full-size, brightly remodeled bathroom with shower over tub surely won't disappoint. Updated kitchen with contemporary cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and comfortable counter seating perfect for eating or working. Just steps away from all the trendy shops, restaurants, parks, and hiking trails this area has to offer, with convenient access to major bus lines, commuter shuttles, BART 101, and 280 freeways. Thanks for taking the tour.
Now, as you saw, it's a gorgeous property. Lorenz, what I like about the property is the location. You can walk to a restaurant, go to a pub, you're right next to the city. Now, if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.